In this short video, I'll show you how to do a VLOOKUP in Excel from one sheet to another, so you can link customer data from separate sheets. Firstly, determine where you want your data to be in. Mine will be in orders, the second sheet right here. I'll just place it right here. And make sure you keep in mind the titles of your sheet. The first one is leads, the second one is orders, right? So I would like to pull out the data, and as for me, it's the first name of John, which is in the first sheet right here. So let's do it. First, select a cell. Let's input this formula: VLOOKUP parenthesis A2, the first column of your data from the first sheet, comma, space, leads, the name of the sheet that you have, this exclamation mark, A, this symbol, and B. This signifies the columns that we'd like to take the name from. Another comma, space, 2, comma, space, and finally false. Do a parenthesis, press enter. And that should pull up the name from the different sheet using VLOOKUP. So the email is john@example.com. Let's go to the first sheet, john@example.com, and the name is John Doe. There we go. Now you know how to do a VLOOKUP in Excel from one sheet to another. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.